Hey everyone, so welcome to Friday. And today we are going to pull a Soulful Woman card and see what the message has to say. So if you have something on your mind, a question, a concern, then just focus on that and let's see what kind of messages come through. Enlightenment Power. I am a woman choosing the power of my own consciousness as a vehicle for my growth. So first off, even though it says I am a woman choosing the power of my own consciousness as a vehicle for my growth, remember that we all have divine feminine and divine masculine aspects in each and every one of us. And so when we tap in to either one of those a little bit more than the other, or when we bring those into balance, then we are essentially whole. So when we tap into that divine feminine, we are tapping into the allowing aspect, the intuition, the nurturing aspect of the feminine. So when we are choosing our own power, our own consciousness, this enlightenment is very powerful. When we are tapping into this higher consciousness that we are our divine self, when we are beginning to embody that and listen to that, then it becomes our superpower. Now, because we live in this world of ego, and that if we can't taste it, touch it, feel it, if it's not tangible, then it can't be real. But that's not correct, because everything is energy and frequency anyway. So when we tap into that innate power within us, that power to understand who we are, our higher consciousness, tapping into that and embodying that, embracing that, and kind of stepping to the side of the ego. Doesn't mean that ego doesn't have a place or a purpose. But when we can bring that in, that enlightenment in of who we truly are, and step into that becomes so powerful for ourselves and in this world. And then we have so much more to give to the world, because now we are embodying our true selves. And I think this is what I said the other day with the chakra card, was just this awareness of who we truly are, tapping into that awareness, tapping into our higher consciousness, our divine selves, and listening to that and understanding it and living from that space, from that place every day, and creating a habit around it. And then when we do that, then it just becomes so natural for us when we can tap into that part of us that is so powerful. So to do this, of course, meditation, sitting down and listening to what is happening on the inside. Just calming yourself down, aligning yourself to who you truly are, and listening and reflecting and becoming more and more aware of that higher consciousness that is coming through. And all we need to do is just stop and listen. So I hope this helped you today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.